Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Blessed love, guys. So, as you can see, Mama River. So we just came to drop off some donation that we never get to give them the other day. You know, so we pass back to give that to them as well too. So hopefully them there, because they said they was going to head to town to get some more back to school stuff for the kids them. So hopefully we can go and catch them. You know, so here at Boom, Esther and Wow. You know, so Boom and Wow, like on there, I have a donation for the two of them as well too. So Boom, I have $4,000 from Lion from Atlanta. 4,000 from Lion from Atlanta.
Lion from Atlanta, blessed and one love and thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, blessed. One
From Lion
thanks.
from Atlanta.
Lion from Atlanta, blessed, one love.
And wow, you have 2,000 as well to pay from Lion.
Lionheart, you know.
From Atlanta.
Lionheart from Atlanta. All for blessing, enough love, you know. Yes! You know? Enough blessing, all for love in a lion. Thank you very much, you know, from my heart, brother. New York, twice. Long time when I said New York. So ready for the man, you see? Yeah, man, for a long time when I goes out to my New York friends, you know. Holy for love, holy for blessing, you know.
Yeah.
Enough love, big up, you know. Said me.
Alright then, so we give thanks.
Lionheart for me, you know.
When the lion roar.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, so we head on. Let's talk about this there.
So 6 apple, white apple.
Put this in it.
Okay, you know, 6 white apple.
So wait till it turn red.
Eh? Ball lady.
That's the fine.
Oh, I make juice, but get the juice sweet.
Yeah, man, them juice some more, mama,
Yeah,
you know.
sweet.
You can't just
Never
book
get
the water on it.
No, I get kind again and just blend
Yeah,
it
man.
and just take on it to kind of.
Alright, so we give thanks. Big up yourself, Lion from Atlanta. You know, thank you so much, you know. So, for being an extended family of the program, thank you so much for helping out, you know, giving your blessings, you know. So, you know, blessings we shall return, you know. So we give thanks. So we'll just touch down, so hopefully they are there, because I got some donation as well too from Lion for them. You know, so place quiet, no music. Oh.
Cranberry. this.
Yes, yeah, because you I said, Kino daughter. Yeah, this girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, then when I see Kino, tell him, say, who come, I say, my mother for laugh today, I say, so what?
Yeah, what?
I'm a bad feeling at all. I'm a rude man, I'm a bad feeling at all.
Yeah, then to big Kino daughter, and she can't hide him. You say,
Why she can't hide?
Send him change to Kino daughter now.
Yeah.
Cranberry again.
So the Cranberry them call me.
But you don't look like me.
Again, Kino daughter.
I let me black.
You look
Can I
like
say
me.
you're black?
You don't look like me. You look like me.
Yes.
She look like me, Esther.
Yeah, all when she black.
I when she black.
Tell him
Yeah, all
again.
when she black.
Tell him again.
Esther, boom, she look like me.
Yeah.
I when she black.
Tell him bring ocean.
So I
Tongue.
No, and him again. 30 grand. Yes, today.
30 grand also.
I'm glad not bring him today. Him can't chat. Me say man can't chat. The man can't chat. The man can't chat.
so you know can chat. Tap nice. Tap
And me
nice.
first here, Kino.
You can chat. Who can talk like you?
That's how I love Jaffa and love him.
Way I do.
Come down here, son.
Hey, dog poop. Cranberry, are you poop?
Nah. Come on now,
I don't like it, you know.
bring it up there,
Well,
so.
the guy and the water come back down.
Look, man, look, Mr. Up there.
Then dust go all up and then dust I see.
Dust.
Say no go to them.
So,
Go to them first. Dust.
I don't like it.
Bring it to them. Let's see this father guy.
Talk.
Like yes, see, watch out.
So river water on the catch?
Yes.
I want to drink.
No.
I want to drink.
The mother says drink it like early morning. She go kiss it early.
Me touch water for lucky sometime. I don't drink that.
Well, your mother tell me say.
She
early in the
drink
morning,
it. Sometimes I drink it. I don't drink
you
that.
go get the river water.
Come. You got that, come.
But she don't know who the further up I be yet.
Esther, stop it. I'm not allowed. Kino, let Esther next time cook. Just like chat. Just let my aunt don't bring her.
Can't see that's a matter.
I left the auntie and bring a
Just who bite your tongue. Just a chatty. You can't stop it chatting.
Look who love talk about chatting.
That's how she has
And you talk the most.
She better tap it nice so she drop.
You tap your eyes and go up the
And
illness.
me a ball fear and say Esther you should have drop on pressure. So I'm not Kino come say me I wish dead for my mother.
That's why I say go on up there. You too much speaking.
Yes, Esther face a vex up at the head. Mother by phone here.
Mother in there.
She two of them by phone.
Yeah.
See that punch by you see. You not going there.
You suck the motor, son.
Them.
Grab me new, grab me yummy in the bar.
And then let them what I do. Kina sweater.
Yeah, what that?
I'll look man.
Look, man, I want to.
Yeah.
want to do like quality.
RJ.
Where you going, brother?
All is well.
Yeah, brother.
Toko.
Oh, go on shopping. Tara, what you doing? We go shop down the place.
One time, I can't bust it back, I calm down. I see the father for go pull that, you know. Like that, you know.
We go shop out.
Come here. So that for another thing.
Leave the back them, leave them.
Toko.
How old is Toko?
Four of them are four of them are.
Me have a different one.
4 same size?
No, 4 same thing.
Oh.
That's different.
Tara, look. Tara start to school now?
Every evening I will go pick her up and grow up.
Grow she go to?
Yeah, we are sent her from Little Game. So every time she go there, she's born.
Oh, she got liquor as well?
Yeah.
I hope I put big size here in this Cranberry. Put biggie? No, sir. You're not supposed to done them.
Me and mother really same style.
That's small Cranberry.
Okay.
Nana won this.
Don't go. Try to pass the bag.
Tara, one good on in the bag. What none of them?
Shoot, I just send her for the come on, you know. I send her to buy one.
Mommy, me and I wear the same size.
Not the shoe.
Put them in the bag.
Slipper.
Daddy. Daddy.
Look over your school bag there.
It's there, another bag.
Who get that one? Yeah?
Mine. So for them get lunch kit, me no want a lunch kit, me want a baby. Yo! Okay. That must be that.
No, that one there. But I put it on again.
I'll look at them now on a lunch kit. Yeah, mate. Like a girl bag. Sita? Daddy, this one mine. What's that?
Oh, this is
Tara? Take Tara start at school already.
Buy a drop, Tara. So you're about to open.
about Monday, you know, me da get the stuff for the police. So I just want to teach them. So them say Monday, them over there. Can go for the Monday.
Okay, now we have cat. Can she not remember about that?
You can just buy the book list then for them.
You want to look here? Mama, look here.
Yeah, that's a year.
This is Tara bag. Tara get unicorn. Nice, Tara, nice. Get lunch kit as well too.
No, in the referee, boy, it's my
I got too many run the wire here.
You know what look like.
But then I go put
You
it
know what
on.
look like.
So go back in the bag.
Just run the socket, you know.
Two of them.
One cat.
You know some viewers that watch when them cat them end up them cat dead. She end up give them two.
Oh,
That's running. Stop for their brother.
you get more cats.
And them want food and them send that.
The one we go man in the fun I then got road down
man.
And the cat for dinner, brother?
Cat gone a road. And cat.
My first cat, one more get.
And one thing with the dog, them lazy too. Them dog are them friendly with every cat. So him think them dog they friendly with cat too.
So everybody get them school bag now. Everyone get school bag. And exact. And get the shoes. And them uniform them to get left now.
But I just pay feet and bring them down there that them get the size.
Yeah. And then they start out.
No, leave it now.
You know, black cat, they want to see where they want to have a heart attack.
Are you not there?
No,
Oh, she can't know.
Father.
She gone our father. But if I get one, I just make him get it.
Okay. I'm going to get liquor man and liquor miss and come back.
Alright.
We'll get them and come back. You're charged, eh?
Look up on here, we have your store.
Alright, today.
Down
Oh, she got them.
Alright guys, so I have 2 donations for liquor man and liquor miss. Esther, we'll get them and come back.
Oh, hope you're nice.
Come, I'll get liquor man and liquor miss and come back.
Someone is none of them. Oh.
Yes, we are all chef. Yeah, 2 of us go Japan done, no chef and broke up. No, if you're 18 about to go with Jesus.
Esther, run like come run now.
Gone. Yeah, Cranberry. Yeah, everybody are killed, you know.
I was not my cook to wake up what my water.
Nana. Here is Nana. You buy juice. Evening.
she go for her phone and all can on. Go for phone.
Look man and look me so go see and come back. Up there I come from. Tired.
They see all the juice.
Tired.
You drop the juice.
Yeah. That job.
Doesn't look like it job, I just said dirty. What like that dirty job? Probably should rest it somewhere.
Well, what's it right here?
That is.
And then it goes to like
So you come and do it or you go home?
let me see this.
Yeah, mama come to your game.
Offer juice, you want?
Mother, and then change the mother.
Should I pay for
Hold on.
clothes out
Hold on, hold
The
this
phone
first.
then.
Hold this first. Hey. Don't go and give mother and come back. Don't go and give mother and come and see phone at hold it.
Yes. Nah, Mr. Chit there.
Mom.
Nana trick him. Well, she not take that.
Oh, she never gonna do that, yeah.
Brother trick.
Kenisha.
Them trick wow chef.
Cara?
Kino. My kid in the face. I stand more than yeah, I'm
First,
fine.
I said the auntie.
No, auntie down already.
She confused, man.
Yeah, my father and I say everything I'm asking. Yeah, we need to hear that.
I'm coming to sweat hard.
How you love your belly?
Subscribe them.
You see them?
I will leave. I don't want. Everybody know. Nobody need to call your name, yeah? Yeah, la. What's your
What name
kina?
them call?
I my name alone,
Them
everybody.
say Kina daughter.
Cranberry. He said, mother, we laugh today. I said, so much people come. I want man give me those. I said, hold this. But buy some ice cream for your sister. I shall come up here.
You know how to pay ice cream, that's why.
Look here. Yeah. If I come back, I'm going to see you me okay. You feel like your sister them and you are the
Kina, come back with this.
Before bed.
like your kid not cheap like she get.
And them, and
Corn,
them,
they know the corn, the blue something where having the corn.
and then so do not even know like corn.
No, my football so something like. That's why my mother give me tea.
Up in the hills.
No, me no. Something to fix better. Yeah, what now?
Living this life.
Yeah, okay.
Living up in the hills of Miami River. You know, trust me. And the air in the river running down. You know, this is the life that you live up here. Up here.
Come.
Just from town?
Yeah. Dust.
Yes, come on.
What the pier them must pick off and I not get no pier. What's your name? Oh, me not get. What's your name?
So dust come.
What's your name again? Eh?
Steady.
Stay there. Stay there.
If I let you she gone.
No, so dust come.
Short out.
Stay there.
Not doing it, going not doing it.
When the oven I get no pier and the pier them are missing so.
A people pick up the beer them.
Well,
No.
them ready?
Them big one there? You can't pick them and go put on them for right. Look at
Stay there.
go knock the door.
See, I sleep.
Stay there.
So much I sleep, class, so dust come.
Stay there.
Come. We'll pick two.
Yeah.
Some people there.
Come.
Ready? Somebody come there.
Then they fit wow.
Yeah.
Them fit?
Yeah.
Oh, me not get no pier.
What's your beef, you know?
You know.
I don't say if you look shine. And then there's something there. Oh, see you.
Oh, stay down. Hello. Oh, go on, cool. Why?
Their mother, they're up there, so.
Oh. Look, man. Evening. I want to mash up on our house, fam.
We are rebuilding.
No, you believe. Oh, go on.
About 33 years old, no? About 33 years old.
One.
You look young, you know?
No.
Tell them,
And look for her daughter. See her daughter there too?
and that's that too.
Yeah.
And she have another big daughter. She have about 3 big daughters. So one that peep. And she look about 33 though.
I see that in the baby.
Missy.
18 years you live up here? You? 18 years?
And this is 18 years. Before she born.
Oh, before she born? I thought we were your daughter.
They were
Oh, no, what I
So the school face baby there. Nah, hello. Hello.
Thank you.
That's it, no smiling.
So come young friend.
Ah, you're serious.
Today you see her mother come give Natalie, I'm not give Natalie, no, Natalie live here.
So look man and look miss them get school bag already and them stuff there?
No.
You get school bag yet? Cause we have some we don't meant to keep treat. You know, but the things them probably are reach late. So so we're gonna do probably if we get them same way in time, and if they're not, I'm gonna just bring back for them. So look man, look miss them not a bag, right? No. Okay. So I have to go put away 2 bags for them whenever I get them. Right, so.
So
Them get booklets and them stuff there as well too?
Yeah.
Let her for Jaisha, come here.
Yeah.
Twins.
Yes.
Alright, look man. Here's $2,000 for you. From Lion, from Atlanta.
Thank you, Lion, from Atlanta, and may God never make it.
Alright. And we have look miss. We have 2,000 for you as well too. From Lion, from Atlanta.
Thank you, Lion, from Atlanta.
And what else?
I may God bless and make a full basket, never be empty.
Travel.
Yeah.
Yeah, they lose both the place.
Alright then, so I'm saying hopefully we'll get the bag them soon. So we can bring 2 bags for them. Yeah? Cause Cranberry them get for them bags and stuff already to them.
Oh.
So them start it.
We want more back to daddy.
Alright so Mummy, so I keep you posted, yeah?
Yeah man, yeah.
I'll make them know I go on. When them start school? Fix your time.
1st of September.
The first? Yeah.
And then go back the 8th.
Oh, so them go for 1 day?
The 8th on birthday.
Later on the birthday?
The 8th.
So the first day, we call that day again?
Orientation.
Orientation day, right? And then then go back the 8th.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because election are the 3rd. That would make no sense. Alright, makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the first alone I'm gonna go. And then 1 week later I'm go back.
1 week later, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna try organize the bag for them, yeah?
Yeah man.
I'll try organize the bag. Alright then, so mommy take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Go and put the fight, see me.
Yeah man.
Come miss.
Yo. Dia masih tak okay.
Yeah.
Clean one.
Okay, alright, go on.
Put the X inside the end. I'm building the steps there.
Put the X beside God. Yeah? Put the X beside God.
Bye, Keisha.
Let's start push up the right way.
Oh, you never there today, Keisha? How that your sister?
Politician.
Keisha say
Politician. I wish one I am mother say fair one.
You get the juice?
That
Yes.
You get the juice?
oh that one they shall bill.
Okay.
It's good, right on the hill son.
That one good man. Shall be the next one this evening.
I wanna bill that too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next time I come up and I didn't have the
Oh, the mother bill then. Look at Miss Mother bill there. House. Okay. No. A house. Where she gonna live? It's like one room. I want one room. Oh. No, to live.
Up there, sir.
Up there, sir.
No, I think them sleep in another room there.
Space small, so shall fit us.
Small man, place man.
Come, daddy.
Oh, come.
Give me some meat. Okay. You know, so we never build this, you know, Simon cannot find that. Find the leather and fill it up.
Oh, chef had a job?
Yeah. So they come job 30 grand, then you are. That's it. Who's the job?
Alright guys, but now like the struggle is really real, you know. As been said, boy, there's so much we really can do sometimes in life, but when you see what some people is really going through, you know, especially when they have a family, it's not really easy, you know. So but sometimes, you know, we use them as an example to realize them struggle, but yet, you know, they're not making it bother them to that much, you know, because they can see the people them up here, them don't look like as it's them stress and everything. You would even know them condition if you see them on the road, because, you know, the wilderness that them into and them accept what is, you know. So sometimes in life we have to just give thanks and grateful, you know, because we never know what someone else is going through, you know, and then really give thanks for what them have, you know, because you have other people who probably live worse than how them live, but they still give thanks, you know, and good all the time. So
The bucket and the bucket, them and bring them down. Bucket them up, bucket them up.
so man, it's a blessing. Alright, yeah. And this living up these sides, like even if you are living up these sides, like you also only want to have food, you know, because the peace, the tranquility that's up here, you know, it's like it's a relief, you know, for like literally sitting down out in the wilderness, you know, listening to the nature, you know, the river flow, you know, surrounded by literally the pure green, you know, the trees and like trust me. So them really appreciate what them have, you know, despite them situation. But all them want is just a little push, you know, to give them a different strength. Yeah. Yeah, I soon have more cat.
I feel them one minute.
Eh?
I feel them something like this.
No, never tell so. Alright, so come, remember donation.
You see the
come.
black one?
Mm-hmm.
Black like a star.
You afraid of black, yeah?
Him look
Two
like
black.
a
Kenisha? Oh, alright, no come and go and them do a donation here. Place I get. Place is getting dark real quick. I'll come stand up there, so. The place is getting dark real quick. Go. Come, Tara. The place is getting really dark. Really quick, guys. So anything goes. So we're trying to head home now. So we have some donation here from Lion. Yeah, when the lion roar. Can roar like lion. Oh, lion roar. Lion no roar, so that sounds like a cat. Alright, come. Alright, so come Toko. Come Tara, we have money for you. Come.
Mommy, what's in the fridge?
The box you want?
Wait till Kina
No, that have to do my music. You can't touch that.
Come here. Tara, come for the money. Come.
You want? Go on, you don't get none. You can't let it and buy juice.
Tara, don't call my phone, okay?
Oh, mommy.
Don't make you call my phone.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Come. Alright, stand up. I'm going to stand up. Stand up.
Yeah?
And come.
She asked me if you can buy a
Stand up
milk
there,
and
sir.
juice.
Stand up, talk up there, sir. Go up here. Go up on that flat there. Charge up, I dig out step.
Him do this.
You know, so run our back get more space here. Alright, I say you take it out from.
But him dig out the back.
Yeah.
Up!
Because normally I could go straight around again. So you just dig out. But you might take up all of the piece, huh?
I'm not going to retain it. No, stay. Relax. Yeah, alright, Tara, here.
I got time for you. When it right. Don't want it back on top.
Here, Tara, we have $2,000 here for you, Tara. $2,000 from Lion. Okay, here. So you're going to thank Lion.
Thank you, Lion.
And?
Yeah, and don't make a full basket.
Come and say it properly. Come here. Tara, take the money and run gone. Alright, Nana, we have $2,000 here for you. Yeah, tell Lion thank Tara.
Thank you, Lion, for Tara, and may God bless you and make your food
Let me say,
never empty.
Thank
you, Lion, and may God bless you and make a full basket never empty.
Come thank you, Lion, and make a full basket never run dry. No empty. And
Tara, my drop from there, Tara. So, Tara, this is $2,000 for you, as well to from Lion. So thank Lion again.
Jerome.
Nana.
Thank you, Lion, and make a full basket never empty.
And also, Toko, Lion is your big fan too, you know. So, say Nana have big fan out there. Cranberry have big fan. And now you have a big fan. You know, him say Toko, my Dan, you know. So, Toko, we have $4,000 for you. Yeah, from Lion. Them say you are the big swimmer.
Thank you, Lion, and don't make a full basket never run empty.
So here, so that's $4,000 from Lion. Right?
For Tara, Lion, thank you so much, and may God bless you. If I make your food basket empty.
Thank you, Lion, and make a full basket never run dry.
That's Ari. Yeah, go on.
I make a full
But I
basket
go for her about
never
tomorrow.
run
Come, do you want to stay a night with her for now?
Oh, so alright, we have, alright guys, so Ari is not here, you know, so Ari got $1,000 as well too, you know, from Lion, and which is we're gonna hand it to Kenisha, you know, and she will make Ari get it. She will give it to her father, you said, right?
Yes.
So she will give it to the father. So sweet Lion, here, $1,000.
And Arizbia, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket more empty.
Yes, so we give thanks Lion. So I think that's I think Cranberry get the money. Good.
Shame.
Yes, a shame.
Oh, shame. Look where you are.
Oh, for that one, yeah.
Can't talk about cold for you.
That's how you. Ice. Mommy, I think so much.
Mommy, Esther said my favorite female.
Yeah, Esther never said that.
Yeah, she said my black, my favorite.
And you said that.
I'm drunk 2 times.
Well, here's $2,000 for you from Lion.
Thank you, Lion, so much. And make your full basket never empty.
Are you talk about Kino me favor? You know, you make my black.
You know, so you're black.
Yeah.
I'm here keen that everybody know. Say can't go and hide. Everybody have me reach a town today.
How much people say?
I'm tell her it's my name and know them call. Nana, them feed alive. You make a cranberry, one cranberry. I know them not call Nana name. I'm here alone.
And when they come on, some girls them say them not come check me. But what them do?
Give me
Cranberry too, so.
I say buy ice cream.
So Cranberry feel, see? Tara.
Oh, remember I forgot to drink water, yeah?
To charge you.
Me remember something.
So yesterday, as I say, she never there herself for the donation we give them. You know, so Nana have a big fan favorite over there. You know, so she just send the $75,000 for Nana, you know, back to school. You know, so who did I get yesterday as well to Claudia and who else? Unknown. Well, a couple of them. Unknown as well, right?
Yeah.
With the stuff them. And Joe. And who else? I can't remember. I can't remember all of them. You know, so. Yeah.
Hey, stop worrying.
Claudia.
Unknown.
So give thanks again, man. Only for honor, respect, man. Only for thanks again, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Some don't really remember the other name, you know. Because we know we give us 75,000, 19,000, 10,000 and 10,500. So 4 names yesterday. Yeah, 4 names. You know, so that will all help out and everything.
Yeah, so give thanks for all those 4, man, and give thanks for all. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Well, I appreciate, you know.
Me, I come on, you know, that
Come from school, so
So we push. Uncle said I come one day in the week, yeah? Yeah, come do the measurement for the how much pipe you go on from down there, so to sort out for the tank and thing. Come see I make step.
Yeah, because that's a road, so that's a me that child live up or something. Tap this and make a little wall here, so put up on the top this, so.
Where, right here, so?
Yeah.
Oh. Which part of the house there?
No, now go up there, so. Right from where thing the feed them, I just make a little wall.
Oh, right, that's how we are dig way.
Yeah, make something.
Oh, yeah. Because you don't want to impede from the land there, so. So me have to make this, so. Yeah. Come here, Sam.
Yeah.
They say Chris call police for you.
Right.
Go over here, you're a peer job.
Whatever the man get to a jail, the man say.
Yeah, but
I tell the man say come like him not even know. Say him not get none.
And 30 grand, bring the 2 go give.
30 grand cat, but you gone. Money. Come me tell you, I make him get a toast, but I'm like, I never go over the Tuesday. Because I clean by the Tuesday, so that go on.
Okay.
I look at money, man, that man I love in the year.
Okay, so.
That go on, man.
Yeah.
That go on.
Chris could have the better still, but I lie. Yeah, but I lie. So guys say yes, so him get the jelly, but it's like in the jelly, the 2 him get. He don't want a money with the jelly. So him don't want $1,000 with the 2 jelly him get. And the man get the $1,000, the man is called police. Yeah, Chris, you are the best. Trust me. Yeah man, let me say, Badger, he's gonna come up here and get a measurement for because I'm Windstone, this is how much try to find out how much a pump or a cost and the tank and how many pipe I'm going to need to run some water from the river where them can get up here You know, because obviously you have the bathroom, so you're going to need water, you know, to use the bathroom. I remember them only does sketch water from the river, you know, so Winston say we must check that out. So Barger come here one day in the week, come do the measurement, and then we can just take it from there. You know, so we can just hurry up and just finish off everything we need to finish off, you know, because just say, oh, the foot.
Yeah, come on, solid, man.
Solid.
Yeah, Mr. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know the greatness what you do for me, yeah, man. One of the greatest things.
Yeah. Finally.
I want to you, man. I want to you, brother, man.
One side, guys, one side, years I go through this and trust me, yeah, product work. Solid though, solid. I'm not pay a move with the stick up and down with the stick again. Oh, I stop walking stick.
Yeah, man, they put a get away now.
Yeah. The product good, man. Good.
And my sister, man, come here and tell him about it too, you know.
Them come out there, man. Me and them got the Tuesday night. Yeah, man, them link me, I will bring them go see
Yaya. Come here and tell me, some make you know. Yeah, come here and tell him all the things.
All them good.
Yeah, because he even see your eyes.
Yeah.
The eye kind of, what I tell you, say, every time different to the eye.
With your one?
Yeah.
The eye drops work?
Yeah.
Say, man,
so even today when I go to America, I take it. So I never put it in my eye today. Yeah, the kind of, so this the sun.
Yeah,
the kind of me eye feel away. Once I put the eye drops in my eye.
Yeah.
I even reach for me, I say, King, you know, so I must put the eye drops in my eye.
Yeah,
man, but the thing that I work, brother, man.
Yeah, work, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, things them good, man. Sure. Because if I now for use no stick anymore.
The one I'm going on my tongue?
Yeah,
just a one day done.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I still have eye drops so I don't pull it.
And the tea bag you done? What is my tea? Okay, yeah. Can you see me come chop off one body as well too? Yeah. So I got tell him to the one who got in the tongue finish.
Yeah.
I'll make him know, you know?
Yes, I put it in my room.
Can you say?
I tell you, man, that's why come here. I tell him more things, come here, tell him say, he make me feel different. Like,
feel different, though.
Yeah. That's why I tell him, say, boy, I make you come link it, get some, I tell him, man.
Because a lot of people, them see it, and them say, them see how Charge look different, him look better in himself, and them see how walk stronger. A lot of people, them see themselves, you know? You've been and said, and then you say you feel different.
Yeah, man, I feel different, man. I feel different.
Tell them, man, I saw them, man, the thing good. You see me? I say, me no come and fight, no time. Everything me use. Yeah, man.
All the foot really
Yeah, strong.
So the foot
Say that town today never bring no stick.
Yeah, but one time I tell you, I'm going to house like a buy and sit in the bed and left the stick in there. Left the stick in there. Walk, left the stick.
Not noise, bring stick.
Left the stick in there.
Yeah, can do it, walk, do it. Yeah, son. Sooner or later, everything. Because him say the aim is...
next 2 months, I can put in my shoes again.
Because him say the aim is to get you the insulin. You understand?
Again, you know. When you go to clean, because my insulin change, you know. Yeah, them come on the land to say now, so one time a day I take it now.
One time?
One time a day.
Oh, so them say improvement. Okay.
One time, and look how me I take insulin and the first it ever change.
First it ever change?
First it ever change. About 24 years now, first it ever change. Yeah, first never take one insulin
a day. One time for
normally, a 2 insulin I take.
Yeah.
2 times a day.
Yeah.
And Lantos I take now 1 time a day I take.
That's one.
1 time a day.
Them see the changes, man.
I want to think that one day I know. Dear.
Yeah.
I want them to get there now.
Dear. The doctor them could have feel like that them are doing anything. They realize that thing, you know.
Now tell me everything about all the eye jobs and soccer. I can't me the carry all the eye jobs and clinic and show them, you know.
Yeah.
But I tell them say that no good to me and I say Richard them. Because you don't know when you come from outside product them that really.
Yeah, into it.
I tell them say it work for me. I'm a doctor when I see from small, you know.
Yeah.
Doctor told me a doctor when I see from small.
I tell him say that work.
Yeah. Even the foot, when he look on the foot, I tell him, say, I think I work with the foot. Yeah, man, so I say, I work, brother.
So it must have surprised myself. Wait there. The doctor stuff them now work. The pharmaceutical stuff them now work. Yeah, stuff them at work, guys. You hear that? Yeah, products them at work. They didn't trust me. But now I run going on because I get that now.
Yeah.
Later. Charge it.
Yeah, brother, man.
Give thanks. Yeah, big up yourself, as you can see. Yeah, man. Yeah, cheers. Yeah, big up yourself, man. The products them up.
I drops more, I get up the me.
What I drops too?
Scratch me.
I get eye drops here.
Scratch me.
Yeah.
Me can tell you. Yeah.
It can work. I tell you, man. But I tell you, when they just start, I say, yo, charge it, just watch the beat a little while. And you tell me, say, yo, feel different.
Yeah, believe it, man. Believe it.
Different. Alright then, guys. So you know the thing goes. So blessed love. So you go run and go to. So look later, your kids. Yeah. Cranberry later. Kenisha later. You not get that, man. Oh, yeah, I'll go with them. Oh, Esther gone out already. Boom, 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 boom. You want to drop on camera? So 30 grand a day, so you take over the dropping. 30 grand a day. What that? Did that jump a while ago? A frog? Yeah. Most a frog. Like the zinc side. I ain't spit for it and boom. Esther by the river. What is that though? I'm gonna jump that side, yeah. Right, Charlie said the products them are work, Esther. Yeah. In foot, you don't need a stick. Yes. In eye.
The sore.
Yeah.
It get better, it dry up.
Yeah. And him eye I see better with the eye drops and everything, and him feel better than himself. And them said the first in 24 years them changing insulin. Yeah. Only one time a day. Oh. Him take no, that's one. 2 times a day, 2 different insulin them have to take. So that's like, yeah, him tell them. You see, man, them say, yeah, but all them supposed to feel that way. No. To realize the food products. That is I give them, yeah, all of them. So yeah, so him even tell them, say, him eye, him bring your eye. No, take it up to him. Him say the eye, him bring the eye drops and show them and tell them, say the eye. That work. And I'm like, alright then. Go and do what you do then, you know?
But some of them that today use herbal stuff, you know?
Yeah.
And they can begin with the chemical then. You just find out herbal doctor. Them have an interview?
No. And them working there. Of course. Okay, apologize. Light up bright. Dim me a light.
I don't know.
A material truck. The boy see that sister?
Him say tomorrow.
Oh,
They
tomorrow.
work now, so tomorrow I'm going to pick food.
Okay.
Or Sunday. So him say I'm not going to do anything. Just have the light. Just have the light.
Yeah. Hope I get hard soon. Alright then, later everyone. Later.
Cranberry.
High five.
Wash plate.
Oh. Coco. High five.
I'm say no, Ari.
Get me.
Put the money car. I put the phone on today, no? Money car.
Was expecting, but I'm not back to school now.
Yeah, so
And then some like
End up telling them that next to stay one night and come back here when full time I don't think about it. I can't think about it. You know, come on, this.
alright then, later.
Later, see you ready.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, bless it.
Alright guys, so that is it. I will give thanks for the blessings, and I will thank you guys so much, you know, for helping out with the back to school for them as well too. So unknown, pick up yourself also, and everyone that contribute towards back to school. So we give thanks. So we're going to head back down. So anyway, things go well. Bless it, Lord.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.